IRS tax debt. These are the top 3 tax settlement programs. The IRS Offer and Compromise, the currently non-collectible status, and the hardship payment plan. The IRS accepts a proposal based upon your ability to pay. With the IRS Offer and Compromise program, it is straight up calculated. The fair market value of your assets minus any type of loan against it comes up with an equity. That equity is a base amount. So if you have nothing in assets, then it's zero. The second component is your net disposable income. It is your gross monthly income minus living expenses. Note that these expenses for collection purposes with the IRS are not the same as when you file the tax return. And the number that you come up with is an offer to the IRS. Now, the IRS CNC program, or the non-collectible program, I consider this a back-end tax settlement for several reasons. First and foremost, you got to take a look at what your statute of expiration is, which is basically the 10-year automatic forgiveness the IRS has. I covered this in Chapter 3 of the Ultimate Tax Debt Resolution. And the great thing about the CNC is that it does not extend that date. So you could be put on the CNC status and you're fine and good. And if that statute date is right around the corner, you might be in CNC status right up until the IRS just writes off the balance down to zero. Now make a note, for the offer and compromise, if it fails and it rejects, you have just extended that 10-year time frame because that's a tolling event. And the financial hardship payments, also known as a PPIA, for partial payment installment agreement, works just like a CNC, except under CNC, your monthly disposable income might be towards a negative. And with a PPIA, you might have a positive monthly income. So let me show you the difference. Both of these programs, by the way, do not matter how much you owe. But for this example, let's say you owe $100,000 to the IRS. If your monthly disposable income is down to zero, then you qualify for the CNC factor. No payments required. But if you have this $100,000 balance and your monthly net disposable income is $25 a month, the IRS will accept this $25 a month as a payment. And from these 3 solutions, the CNC and the PPIA are much more commonly accepted by the IRS than the offer and compromise program. And if you have IRS tax debt and want to see what's the best possible way to resolve it, comment IRS tax resolution. My team will reach out and we'll coordinate that free case with you. Like and follow for more.